This pair of sneakers low-key snuck their way into the conversation of sneaker collaboration of the year. Nobody was expecting these to hit the way that they're hitting. I knew I was gonna like these, but nowhere near as much as I like them from what I've been seeing in the pictures and all that. Make sure y'all leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, because I'm over here bringing you guys early sneaker content left and right. You don't even know what the next early sneaker that's coming in might be, so make sure you subscribe for more content. We're on road to 22,000, low-key this close, and you can help me get there quicker. But let's open this box. Y'all can see that burgundy color. There's only one brand that's out here dropping burgundy like there's no tomorrow. Y'all already see the logo on the box. This one doesn't come with a sleeve, which is a little bit weird. We're obviously gonna do a full review for these soon. Size 10 on the box. At this point, I have the 1s, the 3s, the 4s. I never got the 12s. I don't have the airships, but I do have whatever's in this box right here. Maniere inside the box lid. One of my favorite touches. Open that paper. Ooh, ooh. These are fire, bro. Hold on. Shout out to Hype Supply for getting me right with these. Good price and all that. Pull these out. Got the Maniere Jordan 5s. These are something special, bro. From when I saw the pictures, I already knew I was gonna like these. And in hand is no different. You got the A's making up the logo. Maniere inside the bubble. 23 on the side. Nike Air on the back. Bro, these shits are a problem. I'm so glad I had these in the collection early. I don't even gotta stress, bro. I'm already chilling 3 weeks, 4 weeks early. I don't even know. We are gonna do a full review for these coming soon. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, more early sneakers on the way, so get it together. Go ahead and join us on the road to 23,000 subscribers. Maniere A on the right foot, Jumpman on the left foot. You get that pissy outsole, but I feel like on these it honestly just works. Instead of the pill shape mesh, we have the Maniere A's, as well as on the tongue they replaced it with the A's for Maniere. Left foot has the A and the right foot has the Jumpman. This is also the slimmer version of the Jordan 5. Normally they're bulky on the top. They removed that padding on the side. It's almost giving me Jordan 2 deconstructed vibes, if y'all know what I'm talking about, or even off-white Jordan 5 vibes. These are clean, bro. I'm honestly gonna have to be patient because I want to throw these on feet right now, but I have to film that review for y'all. That Maniere touch at the bottom, a lot of people said it wasn't necessary, but I feel like it's different, bro. Nobody ever does that at the bottom. It's kind of like what Off-White does with that branding on the inside. These come with 2 extra set of laces, the cream pair and the white pair. I'm honestly gonna throw the cream on these. I know MJ wore the metallics with the white, but I feel like the cream will go so hard with this pair. If they would have made that 23 and the Nike Air on the back in burgundy, these would have definitely been top 3 collaborations of the year. I still think it's up there, I'm not gonna lie. Beautiful Jordan 5, if not top 5 Jordan collaboration of the year. I know we got J Balvin's SB4s. I'm low-key blanking right now, but y'all drop your favorite Jordan collaboration of the year in the comments. There's Maniere A's on the liner of this sneaker, bro. Even here you can see the A's, Maniere on one side, MJ's signature on the other. Embroidery on the insole is crazy though. The Maniere team snapped on this Jordan 5. I'm excited to see what these looking like on feet. Obviously we get 3M on the tongue, and one thing I just noticed is the fact that the tongue is lower than a normal Jordan 5. It's like more low profile. It would typically pop up right here. They made it more low. I don't know what that was for, but it definitely changes the aesthetic of the shoe. Listen, bro, make sure y'all subscribe because the on feet for these is about to go crazy. I'm excited to see what these looking like on feet. They even swapped the plastic for leather where the eyelets are. They left nothing untouched on these Jordan 5s. This burgundy pair is gonna come in a full size run, and then we're also gonna see the Photon Dust colorway. That one is a women's exclusive. I'm not too sure if they're gonna do extended sizing for the blue colorway, but that one's fire as well. And it's not typical for Maniere to drop a blue color. I'm actually interested in seeing if I could get my hands on those, whether it's early or when they drop. I'm definitely gonna try to pick those up just to have the set, because these 5s are insane, bro. If y'all haven't seen these yet, just know these are coming in hefty, bro. Definitely coming in hefty. These are gonna be a problem. Crazy part is, I don't know if these are even gonna resell or not. I just know that sneakerheads are gonna appreciate this one. I've been hearing a lot of people that don't even like Jordan 5s are gonna be going for these. Don't sleep. On November 22nd, we're supposed to see these and the blue pair release. I don't know if they're gonna separate them a little bit or if one of the 2 pairs is gonna be a Maniere website exclusive. We're gonna have to just see. So make sure y'all subscribe, because I will keep you posted on the news. But these are beautiful, bro. I'm glad I was able to pick these up. If y'all enjoyed this quick little early look for the Jordan 5 Manieres, make sure y'all leave a like on this video down below. Let's see if we can get it to 100 likes. Also subscribe to the channel, because we going crazy and this is coming non-stop, bro. I promise y'all this is just the beginning. So make sure you subscribe for more early sneaker content and reviews. These are going to be a problem. Hands down, top 5 Jordans of the year. Maybe collaboration. Maybe I'm speaking too soon. We'll get to that conversation once I do my top 10 at the end of the year. These are gorgeous. Nonetheless, I'm so glad I was able to get these early. And if I were you, I would put these on my hit list. I know that blue pair's on my hit list just because I want to complete the set, considering how clean these are. Out of all the Maniere collaborations, I would honestly put these at number 3. First, obviously, we got the 3s. Second, I would put the 4s. These would go 3rd, and it's close to the 4s. I'm not gonna lie. In 4th place, I would probably put the 12s. 5th place would go to the 1s, and 6 would go to the 2s. Honestly, the 2s and the 1s are a missed opportunity. That cracked leather ruined them. I'm gonna compare all 4 pairs of Manieres, slight bars that I have in the full review. But that pretty much does it for this video. If y'all enjoyed this one, you know exactly what to do. I hope you have a great rest of your day, night, morning, evening, whenever you're watching. Stay tuned, because there's nothing but early heat on the way. And all that being said, check out one of these 2 videos, because that's what YouTube is recommending you to watch. Based on your previous history, you might find something you like according to YouTube. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.